Mike, I think that this acquisition by Barrick Gold of Equinox is going to show you bubble, bubble, toil and trouble in the metals markets. I think what you're seeing here is things are getting a little bit out of hand. You may start to see a lot of acquisitions in this market, but this is just like when you see a lot of acquisitions in every overly frothy market. This is a sign we're getting near the top.
Well, what about this deal in terms of how it was priced makes you think it was too expensive?
Well, Barrick paid, I understand, about 8 times EBITDA, which is by the standards of this industry kind of high. It's also a question. I understand that their chairman, Peter Monk, is a very long-time veteran of this business. He's one of the savviest guys in the metals markets, but at the same time, what he admitted was there's just no more growth for Barrick in the gold market, given how big they already are. So what he wants them to do is to start expand into something that they don't do, which is copper.
Well, I think that commodity prices are going to continue to grow significantly from where they are. I think from here to the end of the year, the CBR index could go up another 20%. I agree with you, the deal seems a little pricey. Let me give you another one. Freeport-McMoRan, copper and gold. Its enterprise ratio is only 5. The stock's now at $55. So even though the stock has gone up 45% over the past year, there's value for investors right now.
Well, we're also presupposing that they're going to be able to continue this earnings growth, and I would argue that that probably presupposes that the prices for commodities, and particularly for metals, is going to stay sky high. I don't know that that's going to happen. At some point, the Bernanke bubble is going to burst, and then we're going to see all this money come running out of risk assets just like it rushed in.
Well, let me try to convince you quickly. They own Phelps Dodge, one of the best copper miners, and they made that acquisition work, which in this industry in particular can be very difficult. Have I convinced you?
You've definitely convinced me, Mike.